Sometimes a great solution begins with a simple conversation. Our customer from the textile machinery industry needs a special solution. We delivered it. I am Mirko Baldus from the Masterflex Group. Originally, our customer meeting was only about new trends in hoses. But during the conversation, the customer tells us about a problem within his manufacturing process. The inefficient ordering and assembly of numerous parts by an employee. Our solutions include reliable pneumatic hoses made of PU and PA, which impress with their elasticity, kink resistance, oil and grease resistance, as well as pressure resistance. But we take it a step further. Instead of individual hoses, we developed complete assemblies as pre-configured opportunity sets. The result? Enormous time and cost savings for the customer, while the workers and machine operators have capacity again for their actual core tasks. We are happy to assist you as well with our engineering services and customized special solutions. More information can be found on the linked website.